Imagine game worlds that breathe, evolve, and generate themselves, adapting to every player's whim. This isn't science fiction. It's the rapidly approaching reality of AI in game development. AI is increasingly capable of designing entire game worlds, often with minimal direct human input, fundamentally reshaping how we conceive and create interactive experiences. The integration of artificial intelligence into game development pipelines marks a paradigm shift. It moves beyond simple automation, venturing into generative capabilities that were once exclusively within the domain of human creativity. This evolution is not just about efficiency, it's about unlocking new frontiers of possibility for game worlds. AI algorithms are masters of scale and variety, capable of automatically creating vast and unique environments. This includes intricate terrain, sprawling dungeons, and dynamic weather systems. Games like Minecraft, with its infinite blocky landscapes, and No Man's Sky, generating entire galaxies of planets and creatures, are prime examples of this technique in action. These systems often leverage mathematical functions like Perlin noise for organic terrain or L systems for natural structures. The benefit is boundless exploration and replayability, as no two generated instances are ever exactly alike. For developers, it means less manual world building and more focus on core gameplay mechanics. Beyond mere generation, AI tools can intelligently optimize level layouts. They analyze vast amounts of player behavior data, such as heat maps, common paths, and engagement metrics. This analysis allows AI to suggest improvements or even generate entirely new layouts designed for optimal flow and challenge. This capability significantly reduces the iterative workload on human designers, allowing them to refine rather than create from scratch. AI can identify bottlenecks or underutilized areas, ensuring a more balanced and engaging player experience. It's a powerful assistant, learning from player interactions to craft better challenges. AI profoundly enhances non-playable characters, NPCs, making them more interactive and realistic than ever before. Through sophisticated decision-making frameworks like behavior trees or utility functions, NPCs can exhibit complex, believable actions. They can adapt to player choices, remember past interactions, and even form dynamic relationships. The advent of large language models, LLMs, further enables dynamic dialogue generation, allowing NPCs to engage in context-aware conversations. This creates deeper immersion and emergent gameplay scenarios, where NPC actions feel genuinely responsive and unpredictable. For players, it transforms static characters into living inhabitants of the game world. The manual creation of game assets, textures, 3D models, animations, and soundscapes is incredibly time-consuming and resource-intensive. AI-driven tools are revolutionizing this process by generating these assets automatically. Techniques like generative adversarial networks, GANs, can produce high-quality textures and concept art. Neural radiance fields, NeRFs, can reconstruct detailed 3D scenes from 2D images, while motion transfer algorithms can apply existing animations to new character models. This significantly accelerates the art pipeline, allowing developers to rapidly prototype and iterate on visual styles. It democratizes asset creation, making diverse content more accessible. The market is rapidly expanding with specialized AI tools designed to empower game developers and AI enthusiasts alike. These platforms offer diverse functionalities, from conceptualization to asset generation and even full game prototyping. Understanding their capabilities is key to leveraging AI effectively. Ludo.ai is a comprehensive AI-powered assistant for game concept creation. It excels at generating innovative ideas for game mechanics, story elements, and character profiles, often from simple text prompts. It can also produce visual concepts, helping to quickly flesh out initial ideas. Beyond ideation, Ludo.ai offers tools for 3D asset generation, streamlining the creation of environmental props and character models. It also provides market trend analysis, helping developers validate game ideas against current industry demands. Furthermore, it can even assist in turning concepts into playable prototypes, accelerating the initial development phase. Rosebud AI positions itself as an AI game creator, focusing on rapid prototyping and asset generation. From simple text prompts, it can generate initial code structures, game-ready assets, and animations. This allows creators to quickly bring their visions to life without extensive coding or artistic skills. It supports the creation of both 2D and 3D games, making it versatile for various project types. Rosebud AI also facilitates the development of interactive web-based projects, expanding the reach of AI-generated content beyond traditional game platforms. It's a powerful tool for rapid iteration and experimentation. Promethean AI specializes in generating complete 3D environments from natural language descriptions. This tool is invaluable for level designers who need to quickly prototype spaces and iterate on environmental layouts. Instead of manually placing every object, designers can simply describe the scene they envision. The AI interprets these descriptions and populates the environment with appropriate assets, lighting, and spatial arrangements. This dramatically speeds up the initial blocking out phase of level design, allowing for more creative exploration and less tedious manual labor. It bridges the gap between conceptualization and tangible 3D spaces. Unity, one of the most widely used game engines, integrates a suite of AI tools directly into its editor. These tools are designed to assist with various development workflows, enhancing efficiency and opening new creative avenues. Unity's AI capabilities range from intelligent asset management to advanced simulation. This includes tools for machine learning-powered character animation, procedural content generation, and even AI-driven testing. By embedding AI directly into the development environment, Unity empowers developers to leverage cutting-edge AI techniques without needing deep expertise in machine learning. It makes AI accessible to a broad developer base. In-world AI focuses specifically on the generation of lifelike, intelligent characters. Its core strength lies in creating NPCs with dynamic personalities, memory, and the ability to engage in natural, context-aware conversations. This goes beyond simple dialogue trees, allowing for truly emergent interactions. The platform enables developers to define character traits, backstories, and knowledge bases, which the AI then uses to drive realistic behavior and dialogue. This technology is crucial for creating immersive narratives and believable game worlds where NPCs feel like genuine inhabitants. It elevates character interaction to a new level. Scenario is a powerful tool that helps generate concept art and game-ready assets using AI. It allows artists and designers to rapidly prototype visual styles and create unique assets based on textual descriptions or existing image inputs. This accelerates the visual development phase of a game. Whether it's generating unique textures, character variations, or environmental elements, Scenario provides a creative boost. It enables rapid iteration on visual themes and ensures a consistent artistic direction across diverse assets. For artists, it's a collaborative AI partner that expands creative possibilities. The ultimate vision for AI in gaming extends to the concept of self-creating games. These are not just games with AI-generated content, but entire ecosystems where AI actively manages, evolves, and expands the game world in real time. This represents a profound shift from static, pre-designed experiences to dynamic, living worlds. AI can generate content on demand, creating infinite worlds that continuously unfold as players explore. It can also modify game mechanics in real time, adapting challenges and experiences to suit individual player needs and skill levels. This leads to highly personalized and endlessly replayable experiences. Future AI-generated games could become truly self-sustaining ecosystems. They would evolve based on player interactions, AI-driven decision-making, and continuous content generation. Imagine game worlds that grow organically, developing their own lore, history, and even civilizations without direct human intervention. NPCs within these worlds could learn, adapt, and form complex societies, reacting to environmental changes and player actions in unforeseen ways. This vision promises games that are not merely played, but truly lived in, offering unparalleled depth and emergent storytelling. It's a future where games are living, breathing entities. Despite the incredible advancements, the integration of AI into game development is not without its limitations and challenges. Addressing these requires careful consideration and continued innovation from both game developers and AI researchers. The human element remains crucial in many aspects. One of the primary concerns is whether AI can truly replicate human creativity and artistic vision. While AI can generate novel content, it often lacks the imagination, emotional depth, and nuanced understanding that human artists bring to game design. These qualities are crucial for crafting compelling narratives, establishing unique atmospheres, and fostering deep player engagement. AI-generated content can sometimes feel generic or lack a cohesive artistic direction. The subtle nuances of storytelling, the intentional placement of environmental details to evoke emotion, or the crafting of a truly memorable character often require a human touch. AI is a tool, but the master craftsman is still essential for true artistry. AI-generated content, especially levels and gameplay mechanics, often needs significant human oversight to ensure proper balancing and playability. An AI might generate a technically complex level, but it could be frustratingly difficult, unintuitive, or simply not fun. Human designers are essential for fine-tuning difficulty curves, ensuring fair challenges, and eliminating design flaws. The fun factor is notoriously difficult to quantify for an AI. Human playtesters and designers provide invaluable feedback on pacing, reward systems, and overall player experience. While AI can optimize for certain metrics, the subjective nature of enjoyment still requires human intuition and iterative refinement. AI, by its nature, learns from the data it's trained on. This can lead to significant ethical and cultural challenges when generating game content. AI may lack an inherent understanding of cultural nuances, historical sensitivities, or ethical storytelling principles. This could result in content that is unintentionally offensive, stereotypical, or culturally inappropriate. Ensuring that AI-generated narratives and characters are inclusive, respectful, and responsible requires careful curation of training data and robust ethical guidelines. Human oversight is critical to prevent the propagation of biases or the creation of content that could harm players or perpetuate harmful stereotypes. It's a responsibility that cannot be outsourced to algorithms. The trajectory of AI in game development points towards increasingly sophisticated and autonomous systems. We can anticipate AI becoming even more adept at understanding player intent, generating highly personalized experiences, and creating dynamic narratives that adapt in real time. The line between developer and player will blur as games become more responsive. Further research will focus on improving AI's creative capabilities, allowing it to generate content with greater artistic coherence and emotional resonance. This includes advancements in AI's ability to understand and apply abstract concepts like fun or atmosphere. The goal is not to replace human creativity, but to augment it, freeing developers to focus on higher-level design. The integration of AI will also lead to more accessible game development tools, empowering a wider range of creators to bring their visions to life. From indie developers to large studios, AI will democratize content creation, fostering an explosion of diverse and innovative game experiences. The future is collaborative, with AI as a powerful partner. The journey of AI in game development is just beginning, yet its impact is already profound. From procedural generation to intelligent NPCs and automated asset creation, AI is reshaping every facet of game design. It promises a future of infinite, evolving game worlds that adapt to every player, offering unparalleled immersion and replayability. For game developers, embracing AI means unlocking new creative possibilities and streamlining workflows. For AI enthusiasts, it presents a fascinating frontier for research and application, pushing the boundaries of what intelligent systems can achieve. The challenges are real, but the potential rewards, games that are truly alive, are immense. Are you ready to shape the future of interactive entertainment? Dive into the world of AI-powered game development. Explore the tools mentioned, experiment with generative AI, and share your insights. Join the conversation on forums, contribute to open-source AI projects, and help us build the next generation of self-creating games. Your innovation is key to unlocking these infinite worlds. Hey, if you're enjoying this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.